One sec, I gotta go piss. Hey, love, you here by yourself?
Haha, nah, I'm here with my best friend. She's just gone to go wee in the ocean.
Oh, cool, you've got a best friend? You're so lucky.
Rachel? Rachel!
Ah, you dumb bitch! You thought I was dead, didn't ya? You're so dumb, Sarah! Oh, you always fall for this, Sarah. Every single party.
I can't believe you fell for the dead Rachel prank again! What is wrong with you, Sarah?
Oh, you're so dumb, Sarah.
I guess I just really thought you were dead this time.
Okay, I'll tell them. All right. Everyone, I've got some bad news. Gather round. I just got off the phone to the mayor of Wollongong. And he said, this party needs to be turned up a notch! Boy, that was so funny when I pretended I was dead, wasn't it?
Oh my god, you really scared me there, Rachel.
Yeah, whatever. You know I can't die. Not when it's almost time for...
Yo, Crystal Fantasy.
The show.
Season 1 premiering on Adult Swim coming this August.
What? Did you say something?
No. What the hell was that shit?
I don't know, but it wasn't very funny, was it?
It's just a stupid internet video from 2012. No, I wanted more Metalocalypse!